Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, Tara Pross, True Beauty Reviewer. I jumped on quick to do a video for you guys. I am going out and I had like day makeup on and I just wanted to do like a quick going out, and I need to do something that's better than this. I know you're totally laughing at my hair. That's okay. My girl Jenna Turner, she is amazing. She came to my house and rolled my hair and set it with these clips so I can have like a really like old-fashioned finger wave type of thing, and that makes it so much easier to do it this way. So I will show you after I'm all done doing my makeup what it looks like. Go check her Instagram out. She's Bella Truco Jenna, and she's fabulous. Okay, so I'm actually going to start with a lipstick color because like I'm trying to find a really quick theme. I have my Night Out lashes on from Truella. You can find them on Truella Beauty Bar. And I have a little bit of eyeliner on and like some foundation from earlier today. So let's see what I can do in a short amount of time because I'm always late. Oh God. Not easy being my friend. I was thinking like something like a little sultry, and I was digging through my bag and I found this Color Stay by Revlon. It's called Limitless Black Cherry. So I'm gonna see what that looks like and then kind of fall into place. I'm like a visual person, so sometimes I need like, you know, something to like inspire me. So I'm gonna go off of the lip. Okay, so first I'm gonna line. I found this berry color. I don't even know who it's from because it doesn't even have a name, just says berry. So if you have a berry color at home to line your lips, do that. So I tend to overline a little bit. And I'm just doing like the slightest line because I don't want to be dramatic. I think I'm dramatic enough, just saying. A little on the bottom. And just saying, like if I do a bold lip, I usually don't do like a crazy eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go right in with that color from Revlon Color Stay. And I like their color stays. I've tried a bunch of them, especially being a makeup artist, and she's never an itch. And you know, some of them are get like bally ew on your lips. No, thank you. Oh God. I'm a little rum raisin. I think it's another color. I guess never mind, this is really maybe all I need. Just kidding. I'm gonna go in with like a second coat because I kind of want it to be a little darker. Sorry. I haven't mastered how to talk and put lipstick on yet, so you're gonna have to bear with me. I think that I'm gonna like this, right? I'm gonna let it dry because I might put another layer on, but I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, so from this point, I'm going to just go a little bit over my foundation because, you know, just to give it like a little refresher. I'm just gonna grab like a Fit Me color here. I have 130 Buff Beige. Throw it on my hand because that's what I do. Yeah, I like this this thing. Quick, easy. Excuse my hairdo. know like you're not supposed to start with your lips first, but like I said before, I just wanted like a little bit of inspiration to like go off of. You know what I say about my neck, don't forget it. And I've already, like I said, I have mascara on, I have a little liner. I am gonna add more liner. Just because I'm really liking the color. It's getting darker as it dries, and I will end up probably going in with like another coat, but so much coverage, so little time. You know what? I love this foundation. I really do. I mean, it's dewy, it's like perfect and quick to go right over like a base foundation I already have from the day. So I'm just gonna wipe that off with my Neutrogena wipes because I use my hands. Look at, oh my god, does it match my, oh, it matches my, okay. I'm going to just, let's see, I don't even know what I want to do for my lids, so I'm just gonna grab, I'm not gonna go too crazy with this Wanted palette from Nars. Let's see what I have in here. I'm just gonna go in with like a neutral color. This, whoa, this one here. I have yet to learn this whole backwards thing, but bear with me. I'm gonna cover like my entire lid with it. Same thing. Even the brows, just a little bit. I'll lighten them up if I have to. Awesome. I'm gonna put a swipe of this. I just found this in my kit. I love when I do that kind of stuff. It's Tracks by MAC. One of my favorite colors always. Like total good bridal color, total good like, it has some gold in it. It's just like a really pretty color, and I forgot how much I really enjoyed it. So, did I say I wasn't gonna do a bold eye? I guess I was lying. Don't worry, I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit. Okay, making sure there's nothing underneath. Okay, I'm gonna take a little black eyeliner. I'm using this one from Truella, oldie but goodie, gel liner. Just gonna hit my corners up a little bit. Reline on top. You're gonna laugh at me when I use this for my eyebrows too. Nice. I know I'm looking like pale, like I need concealer. Where am I? Hello, is it me you're looking for? Sure am, my Nars. Concealer. Always, always under the eye, the mouth comes open, always. I'm gonna just bring this concealer right up, give myself a little lightness. Track around the brow. Oh, don't let that wing get too crazy. Ooh, we're starting to really shape up now, aren't we, people? Just bringing a little lightness back in, feeling like it's getting too dark. I'll go back in and blend it out, don't worry. And I mean, this is just like a blending brush, but you know me, because I'll just do this. I mean, God gave you these fingers and hands to do something with, right? Go back in with my blendy brush. All right, we're really shaping up here, aren't we? I'm not gonna do too much like contour. I'm just gonna go with like this angled brush. I love this angled brush. Oh, hello, cheekbones. Where have you been all day? Hiding behind the tacos I ate. I will bring you back. I promise. Stop. Stop what you're saying. This bronzer that I'm using, sorry to tell you, but this is a Truella bronzer, TruellaBlueBeard.com, and it's called Instant Sexy. That says enough because I actually feel instantly sexy. Just saying. Hold, please. Ooh, baby, I feel good. I guess you're not supposed to sing other people's songs on here. I'm gonna go with this highlighter, this Canary Diamond by Too Faced. Will you? I will. I do. I'm gonna take this brush because I had a demo. I'm a makeup artist. I still go and get like people to do my makeup, and he used this brush to put it on. I'm also gonna do a little bit under here because a little tip of my nose, because that will really make the lips pop. I'm gonna go ahead and move quickly through this video before my battery dies. Okay, 2 more steps left. Two. Clear gloss over top of the lipstick. Seals the deal. And don't I like to seal the deal. Pretty color, Revlon Limitless Black Cherry. Just saying. Okay, I don't know where my brow pencil is, so like I'm gonna do something that's probably not normal to do by anybody's standards, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, so my black liner brush that I use for my eyeliner, my gel eyeliner, it's waterproof. I let it dry out, so I'm just gonna fill my brows in quickly because I don't have like a ton of time. And like, good news, my hair is dark and my eyeliner is too. Dark like my soul. So I'm just gonna do a little filling in with that. Excellent. Excellent. Just a little bit, right? Cool. Okay. Here you have it. Yee. And now I'm going to take out my clips. Give it a little oomping. So this takes the place of like those finger waves. I know my hair's like super frizzy, but don't worry. Like, we're gonna take that and move it like so. Excellent. Okay, I'm gonna do one. Oh, missed one. Okay, we're gonna give this a little root lift because that works. Sorry for any frizziness. Do I have hairspray? Oh, okay. So you can see my waves and my, excuse me. There you have it. My look. And now I just have to get dressed because I can't go out in my robe. Wait, let's talk about this. Sorry, my hairspray is not here. And I just wanted to show you like I can lift it and get this like... Okay, thanks for sticking with me through this look. I'll have everything below where you can find it. Have yourself an amazing night. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. The bell, the blah, 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 blah. All right, bye.